Not too bad. I think it's $10 a night to ramp your boat, and we're staying overnight, so they charge us twice. It's 20 bucks. It's not bad. So we will take $20 for 2 nights to keep our ramp our boats here. So the marina's huge. There's a whole bunch of big old snook over here, but there's no fishing in the marina. So boat now we're gonna head. It's about a 8-mile drive to the place where we're gonna camp and start fishing out in Chokoloskee, 10,000 Islands. So Ryan's over there ramping his boat now. He's getting it done. I'm waiting my turn. It's a pretty slow place, not a whole lot of traffic. It is a Friday, so everybody else is at work. The most beautiful thing you'll ever see? So we are just ramping our boat. Ryan and Roger are ready to roll, but before we roll, no pun intended, yeah, Lorenzo's gonna covet real quick some snook. He says that there's a bunch of them here. So
behind the boat.
Behind this boat?
The boat just parked actually, so I don't know if it's gonna be here.
Oh, this is some acidic water, huh? It's really dark. Oh yeah, look at them. Oh my. Oh wow, look at them bad boys. They're everywhere. Guys, I don't know if you can see this. That's a Zerst, dude. I don't know if you guys can see this, but there are snook everywhere. Let me see if I put my polarized glasses up. Does it help? You guys see the snook? They're all either slot or just under. Look at them. Look at them. They have no fear. Even though that guy's got a big old hole in his face. Big old hole in his face.
Because there used to be people feeding them.
Yeah, there's a jack there too. Lots of jacks. All right, buddy. You ready to fish?
Mangrove snapper.
Mangroves? You ready to fish, dude? You ready to fish?
Let's go catch some of those.
I gotta go drop something off real quick. Okay. All right, guys, we are at the marina and we're gonna ramp our boat right now. So check this out. If you hear it go beep, 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 beep.
That's not good.
Yeah.
I'm here this
Camera,
time.
stop shutting off on your own. Stop the beep, beep, beep thing.
Camera,
Stop.
turn off.
Yeah. No, don't do that, bro. I want it to stay on. Is it on? You're on. Yeah. Okay. Let's go! It's a steep ramp, huh?
The boat just went in the water.
What did?
The boat just came in the water.
Yeah, all right, Christian, your tail's in the water. What do we do? Back up? Yeah, back up.
Hold up. Hold up. Huh? No, it's just that the boat is still dry. The boat's not in, the hull of the boat isn't in the water. All right, watch your rods. So guys, this ramp is steep at first, but once it comes out here, it levels out, and my boat, we're like all the way in the water, and the boat's not even, the hull wasn't even in the water. So anyway, let's fish. Well guys, so far so good. It's time to fish. Guys, like the video and subscribe to our channel because we are gonna go out and fish Chokoloskee. We've got 11 guys. It's gonna be great. We've got 3 boats, 11 guys. We're going to fish. We're camping overnight. Chokoloskee, 10,000 islands, redfish, sheep's head, snook, trout, whatever. So guys, stay tuned to the video. Check out the channel. Till next time, watch your lip.